Module 3 Part 1 Fuzzy Relation and Composition. Product set, crisp fuzzy relation and composition, decomposition. Product set. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. The product set or Cartesian product A cross B is defined as the set of all ordered pair AB is such that A element of A and B element of B. So consider this example: A equal to set A1, A2, A3 and B is set B1, B2. A cross B is a set of all ordered pairs A1, B1, A1, B2, A2, B1, A2, B2, A3, B1, A3, B2. Similarly, it is possible to find A cross A and B cross B, etc. This is another example. A relation R is a subset of a cross product set, and the membership function is defined as mu R x1 etc. xn equal to 1 if x1 etc. xn element of R equal to 0 otherwise. A fuzzy relation is a fuzzy set defined on the Cartesian product of crisp sets A1 etc. An. So the fuzzy relation R equal to the membership degree corresponding to each ordered pair xy. So it is set of all xy together with mu R xy, where x element of x and y element of y. So this is the diagrammatic representation of crisp relation and fuzzy relation. This is a matrix representation of crisp relation and fuzzy relation. The matrix is denoted by MR and membership degrees are denoted by mu R ij and MR equal to mu R ij. This is another way of representing a fuzzy relation using a digraph, crisp relation and fuzzy relation. Domain of a relation is maximum for every y element of B mu R xy. Range of relation is maximum for every x element of A mu R xy. This is an example. So here find a domain and range. So take the maximum of membership degrees for every y element of B. So it is maximum of 4.7 is 0.7. Similarly, find for a maximum for x2 for every y element of B. So first element is x2 and vary second element. So x2 y1, x2 y2, corresponding membership degrees are 0.6, 0.3 and maximum is 0.6. So in this way you can calculate domain. Similarly calculate range. So for y1, y2 vary x in A and then take maximum. So we get a range corresponding to y1, y2 is 0.6, 0.7. This is an example. So here domain is obtained by taking maximum of row elements and range is obtained by taking maximum of column elements. So there are several operators. We can apply the operation like sum, product, etc. on fuzzy matrices. So these are the examples. Max product operation or max min operation. So we need to consider row together with the column in AB. So we get minimum of Aik Bkj. Then scalar product, a union relation. Union is obtained by taking maximum of membership degrees for mu r xy and mu s xy. This is an example of a union relation. So here take maximum of corresponding entries, 0.3 union 0.3, 0.3, like that, 0.2 0, so it is 0.2, 1.1 is 1. Similarly, other rows corresponding to 1, 2 and 3. Intersection is obtained by taking minimum of mu r xy and mu s xy. This is an example of intersection relation. So take the minimum corresponding to each values. For example, 0.8 to 0.1, so minimum is 0.1. Then complement relation is 1 minus mu r xy. Composition of relation is obtained by considering two fuzzy relations R and S, and it is denoted by S composition R, which is defined as maximum of mu r xy mu s yz. So this is a maximum composition rule. So consider R and S, then find out R composition S or S composition R. This is an example. By applying maximum operation, we get S composition R. So first row with all elements in first column of S. So compare the values 0.1, 0.9, 0.2, 0.2, 0, 0.8, 1.4. So take the minimum of this and then take maximum of all minimums. So it is 0.4. So corresponding to this element in S composition R, element is 0.4. So we get S composition R like this.